Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I met a young man today that would like to put the logo on a particular part of the cup. And I don't know why those are acting like they're together. And, I could bring in indexing lines, and I've got a spot where I want them. And if you look, we click on our indexing line, and that one is at 20, and this one's at -8. So you just need to remember those coordinates, and we can actually turn off the indexing line. Easy enough, you could take it without a macro and have it snap to that. But it would be nice to have a macro, so I'm going to turn those off. I am going to go up to Tools, Scripts, and start recording. I'm going to call this one Spot. Now, you don't want to take back. You don't want to have anything selected when you do this. We're going to go to Tools, Scripts, start recording, and call it Spot. And then click on that item and go up here to your object origin, and your object origin should be in the center position. We're going to type in 20 and -8. It put that epilogue right where we want it. I'm going to stop recording. It put it over here now. Let's try it. Select it. Go up to Spot and double click. Now you got rid of that cup and you hit delete. Take this logo, hit Spot, and it puts it in that spot. So you might have troubles if you don't delete them because it's still trying to look for that other item, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. Let's make a duplicate of this one, and let's make the color blue this time. Whoop. Let's just make it a blue outline. And let's try this blue outline, and there you go. So it'll work. Now, I'm not going to delete that one. I'm going to move it out of the way, and I'm going to select this one. And it's trying to select that last one again, so you're going to have to delete it. But it would be quick enough if you had enough items. Now, we can make a hotkey for that. Let's take this one off the board. I'm going to right-click and assign a hotkey. And, let's say this is a 20-ounce tumbler. And because I think it is. I don't know what it is. Let's type in alternate 2 and assign it. Well, that's actually there's actually already taken. Let's just call it 2. Well, that's recall group. You'd have to name it. It's going to be if it's a Yeti, we could try Y. Let's go alternate Y. Document grid, control Y. Okay, control Y is not being used. Assign it. Say OK. Now I don't have to have this open. I am going to control Y, and it put it right there. The page jumped a couple of times, but it did it. Control Y, and you could have a whole list of them. Let's do that again with a duplicate. And we could even make well, I don't know if you'd want that to delete it. Let's just try this. Control Y, delete that one. Put the next logo in there, Control Y, and then you'd be going, pretty good. If I figure out how to keep them on the page, or, move them off the page or do something with them, I'll make a second video. But that should help him. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.